To install Tidio Live Chat on your Wix website, start by logging into your Tidio account and navigating to the Settings section. From there, click on the Install button and select Wix as your platform. You will then be prompted to enter your Wix website URL and click Next. Tidio will then provide you with a script to add to your Wix website, which will enable the live chat functionality. To do this, log into your Wix account and access the Wix editor. Click on the Add button on the left side of the screen. Then select More from the drop-down menu. From the More menu, click on Custom Code and then click on the Add Custom Code button. In the dialog box that appears, paste the Tidio script into the text box, making sure to select the body tag and the Load After option. Click Apply to save the changes. Next, go back to your Tidio account and click on the Verify Installation button. If the installation is successful, you will see a confirmation message. You can then customize the appearance and settings of your live chat widget to match your website's design and branding. To do this, navigate to the Chat Widget section in your Tidio account and select the Design tab. From here, you can change the color scheme, add a logo, and modify the chat window's appearance. You can also set up automated messages, add chat operators, and configure the chat widget's behavior in the Settings section. Finally, test your live chat widget to ensure it is working correctly. You can do this by visiting your Wix website and checking that the chat widget appears and functions as expected. With these steps, you should now have Tidio Live Chat installed and configured on your Wix website, enabling you to provide better customer support and improve user engagement.